Autopilot engaged.
Initiating startup sequence.
You know, as a Second Amendment and a gun-loving supporter, we do not blame the gun for the actions that they may take. The fault lies on the person holding the gun, the one with ill intent, the one that's committing a crime. So in that same fashion, we cannot be blaming video games on how kids are raised and what influences in them. It's not the video game's fault. The video game doesn't play itself. It's the kid that plays it. And since we are talking about kids under 18, y'alls that have kids, you are responsible for their actions up until they're 18. So if you don't think they should be playing video games, don't let them play. Okay? We cannot be hypocrites about this. Same thing with movies, same thing with music. It's not the gun, it's not the game, it's not the movie. It's the person watching, using, participating, so on. And in this culture, we cannot fully blame kids for their actions, so up until age 18, we've got to blame the parents. So if you have kids that are unruly, it's your responsibility. The other thing about video games, see these? That's for mature. That's the same as the rating on a movie. These are R-rated games, much like there's R-rated movies. Would you let your kid at whatever age watch an R-rated movie? Why are you letting them play mature games? Do not blame the video game. It's not their fault. It's the kid's fault or your fault. That's all I had to say about that. Don't be a hypocrite. Don't blame the gun. Don't blame the game.
What happened? What happened? What happened?
Too many circles. You press circle too many times. Finish him!
Did you fucking see that? Holy shit.
This is my
Jack. Oh! Whoa, we're getting close to the rocks. Whoa. Yep. Like a glove. That was sweet, dude. That was real sweet.